Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 3 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita, so far?
Actually, this was a very good week for me.
Oh, that's good. So how much total weight did you lose so far since we're starting this journey?
7 pounds,
Excellent. And how much you lost last week? Just last week?
4 pounds.
Wow, 4 pounds in 1 week.
Yes.
Like, did you make a major change to your lifestyle or diet, or?
No, not major, but enough of a change that it was 4 pounds off.
Yeah, that's really good. And was it really challenging to lose 4 pounds like last week?
No, that's the thing. I don't feel like I was lacking anything. I feel actually really good on it. I don't feel like I'm depriving myself of anything. I have a lot of foods to choose from. I'm not on a diet. I don't feel restricted, so
That's very
it's been
good.
great.
That's very good. And do you think we're still on track for week 10?
Oh yes, or before.
Or before, excellent. So you did an amazing job, like especially last week. So definitely we're on track, and maybe actually you might exceed my expectations in week 10. Yeah, hope so. Very, very good. Excellent. Okay, so let's wait and see what will happen next week. Yeah, thank you so much.